as you can see, Gal's Muslim.
So let me share with you my experience and all the craziest things I've done.
It's only been 2 months since I moved in, and here I am packing up for the holidays. While I pack up my stuff, let's have a look at what I've been up to. In the briefest of moments, that is an 8-week Cambridge term, I've been to 88 lectures, 26 supervisions, through 2 pads of paper, 6 identical. I've collected a shed load of swag for careers events. I tried to teach myself how to cook. I've watched the tourists float by. I've watched the sunset. I've taken long walks around Cambridge at night. I've taught myself a bit of film photography. It keeps me sane. A break from the work. None of these things compares, though, to the people that I've met. They are incredible, complex, generous, kind, funny, talented, and outright amazing humans. I don't show my appreciation for them enough. It's only been 2 months, but I think I'm happy here. I'm Zeb Goriely. I've got a YouTube channel, so I won this competition, the Vlogbridge competition, which is really exciting because it means I get to basically not only stay in contact with the digital communications office here, but also I get to purchase some equipment that I get to use to improve the quality of my videos. So it's really exciting that the Cambridge department here gets to offer this opportunity to us Cambridge vloggers to support us with what we do.
Probably the most Cambridge aesthetic that I've reached is doing arts and crafts night in my gown. Bit pretentious, I know, but it was cute.
As time progressed, there was no time for rest. Finding best deals in Sainsbury's put my maths to the test. We ate spiciest noodles and prepared for the worst. The heat was so intense I thought my mouth would burst.